In one big bowl, you're going to add a few things. Some warm milk, yeast, 1 packet, some sugar, then mix it all around. After mixing, set it aside in a warm area, and when you see some bubbles floated up to the top like this, that's when your yeast has been activated. Add your butter and cooking, your flour and salt. Next, knead your dough and roll it into some loaves. While your bread is raising, let's listen up closely to our story time. The Little Red Hen by Paul Galdon. Once upon a time, a cat and a dog, and a mouse, and a little red hen all lived together in a cozy little house. The cat liked to sleep all day on a soft couch, and the dog liked to nap all day on the sunny back porch. And the mouse liked to snooze all day in the warm chair by the fireside. So the little red hen headed to the kitchen to do all the housework. She cooked the meals and washed the dishes and made the beds. She swept the floor and washed the windows and mended the clothes. She raked the leaves and mowed the grass and hoed the garden. One day, when she was hoeing the garden, she found some grains of wheat. Who will plant this wheat?" cried the little red hen. "Meow! Not I," said the cat.
"Not I,"
said the dog. "Not I," said the mouse. "Then I will," said the little red hen, and she did. Each morning, the little red hen watered the wheat and pulled the weeds. Soon the wheat pushed through the ground and began to grow tall. When the wheat was ripe, the little red hen asked, "Who will cut the wheat?" "Meow! Not I," said the cat.
"Not I,"
said the dog. "Not I," said the mouse. "Then I will," said the little red hen, and she did. When the wheat was all cut, the little red hen asked, "Now, who will take this wheat to the mill to be ground into flour?" "Meow! Not I," said the cat.
"Not I,"
said the dog. "Not I," said the mouse. "Then I will," said the little red hen, and she did. The little red hen returned from the mill, carrying a small bag of fine white flour. "Who will make a bread from this fine white flour?" asked the little red hen. "Meow! Not I," said the cat.
"Not I,"
said the dog. "Not I," said the mouse. "Then I will," said the little red hen, and she did. She gathered the sticks and made a fire in the stove. Then she took the milk and sugar and eggs and butter and mixed them in a big bowl with the fine white flour. When the oven was hot, she poured the butter into the shining pan and put it into the oven. Soon a delicious smell filled the cozy little house. The cat got off of the soft couch and strolled into the kitchen. The dog got up from the sunny back porch and came into the kitchen. The mouse jumped down from his warm chair and scampered into the kitchen. The little red hen was taking a beautiful bread out of the oven. "Who will eat this cake?" asked the little red hen. "I will," meow, cried the cat. "I will," cried the dog. "I will," cried the mouse. But the little red hen said, "All by myself I planted the wheat. I tended to the wheat. I cut the wheat. I took the wheat to the mill to be grounded into flour. all by myself. I gathered the sticks, I built the fire, I mixed the bread, and all by myself, I am going to eat it. And so she did, to the very last crumb. Time to take our bread out of the oven. So the moral of the story is, hard work pays off. And also, if your parents are in need of help or they ask you for help, always remember to share a helping hand.